Hi guys, my name is Kyla. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a 3-strand twist out. So first I start with a manual hair massager. I like to do that to prep my hair. And then I go ahead and section my hair into 4 separate sections. I have what's called 4A, 4B hair, and it is pretty thick. So I just try to do this to make sure that I can wash and detangle accurately. Today I'm using Thank God I'm Natural shampoo. This is the only thing that I'll be using in the shower today. So like I said before, I section my hair into 4 sections and I wash each section individually as well. I try to wash each section 2 times so that I can make sure to get all of the previous product out. I'm usually a wash and go girl, so there's a lot of product in my hair. I also blow dry my hair in 4 separate sections. It helps. I don't know how we do it. My hands are mighty tired and I get hot in the bathroom. So yeah, this is me. Yeah. Okay. So now for the style, I'm sectioning my hair into 3 parts. I try to go ahead and section it the way that I want it to be styled. So I like a little bit more on one side of my hair than the other side. But I go ahead and part it like this, so then that way when I take it out of the twist out, it's easier to just go ahead and pick out and fluff. So right now what I'm doing is after I part my hair into 3 sections, I do a part straight across in the back to begin the twist out. I'm using Kinky Curly and Miel Avocado Hair Milk. I never use that Denman brush, so I apply 4 pumps of the Kinky Curly to my hand, and then I do like a spray or 2 of water just so that it can hold. I'm not going to assume that you all know how to do a twist out or a 3-strand twist out already. What I'm going to do is a little bit later in the video, I'm going to try my best to walk you through how to do a 3-strand twist out. It's similar to a braid, except for instead of weaving your hair, you wrap your hair around each strand of hair. So that should be coming up soon with a little tutorial on how I do it. But right now I'm just going to fast forward through this to show you my hair. This is what the back looks like. Now we're getting to the front and enjoy this next part. Okay, so you section your hair in 3 parts as if you're going to braid it. So 3 parts, try to get them as equal as possible. It doesn't really matter though. So I first start out like I'm going to braid it. So you're just essentially weaving it in. Then I'm taking this piece and moving it all the way to the left side. So from my right hand to my left hand. So you're just weaving it around. Whatever pieces from your left hand, whatever pieces from your right hand, you move to your left hand. Right hand, left hand. So you're just wrapping your hair around. So right hand, left hand. Right hand, you give it to your left hand. And you just move the pieces around. So from right hand to left hand. Get 3 equal sections. And I start out, I braid my hair twice. Well, yeah, twice. And I have 3 parts. I'm moving what's in my right hand here behind, like I'm wrapping it around and putting it in my left hand. So wrap around, I grab it with my left hand. I have 3 parts again. I'm wrapping this behind to give it to my left hand. So it goes from right hand to my left hand. So wrap it around. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. And you're just moving this hand to this hand. So you're just switching the different pieces of hair. And you're wrapping it behind each time. So you're moving it from your right hand to your left hand. Reset, right hand to left hand. And there's no weaving, you're just simply wrapping behind each time. So wrap behind, reset, wrap behind, reset, wrap behind. And you also want to make sure to smooth your hair out if you feel your hair is getting kind of kinky or getting tangled. You want to just smooth it out so it can stay in 3 separate sections the entire time. So now I'm going to slow it down a little bit for you guys. And like I said before, you're going to move whatever hair is in your right hand and wrap it behind to your left hand. And you make sure you still have 3 parts. So from your right hand, wrap it behind to your left hand. And at some points, it might feel like it's unraveling, but it's really not. It's just wrapping around, wrapping around. Instead of weaving it, you're moving it from your right hand, wrapping it around to your left hand. Keep practicing, guys. I know you'll get it. And now this is the finished twist, 3-strand twist. And we're going to move to the next morning. What I did was to stretch my twist out. I just did a little French braid with the twist, and I pinned it up to see that I can stretch it out some. Because sometimes these have a lot of shrinkage, and I was trying to get maximum length as possible. So the way I take my hair down is I twist my hair in the opposite direction of the twist so that it can unravel. And then as it unravels, I just go in the same pattern that it was. So here I am fluffing my hair out, just trying to get it a little volume because I hate flat hair. So I try to go in with either a pick or a wide tooth comb. Now, y'all, like, I've been trying to do the whole baby hair thing, trying to lay my hair down, but it doesn't always work because I'm still learning. But I think I did an okay job. And this is the end result, a fluffy 3-strand twist out. The kinky curly definitely held up, but as the day progresses, I know that my hair will continue to swell, and I love it. I love volume. And this is it. Y'all be blessed. Y'all have a great day, and I hope that this tutorial helps.